How to log out of your Facebook from all devices. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Here, click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Scroll down, click on Settings and Privacy. Then, click on Settings. After you click on Settings in here, click on Account Center at the top. After you're in the Account Center, click on Password and Security. In Password and Security, scroll down, you'll find Security Checks. There, you'll find where you're logged in, which is the first option. Simply click on where you're logged in. Then, select your Facebook account. After that, you'll find all the devices you're logged into. Click on Select Devices to log out at the bottom. Then it will lead you to this page here. Select all and press on Log Out at the bottom. Press on Log Out, and after you do that, you will be logged out of all the devices. And this is how to log out your Facebook from all devices. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.